As I said, not here to sell anything, just to make you aware of a few things that we are doing. This is a mock-up of the cover. This is my graphic design skills, absolutely hopeless. This isn't a cover that's going to run with the book. I had somebody recently say to me, is that the cover? No, it's not. But this is the book that's coming. Awesome Business, Awesome Life. An ambitious business owner's guide to control consistent and rapid growth. Now, the book is this on steroids, explaining this over around about 180 pages and really getting in depth in what you need to know. So due for release around about February, March next year with the publishers now. Pre-orders will be available from December. Took me about 104 days to write this thing, 163 hours, and it's got 20 years of my know-how in it. It really is my business brain imprint. So that's something quite exciting for us, and something that I'd love you guys to grab a copy of when it does come along. Next thing I just wanted to make you aware of was the podcast. If you haven't listened or tuned into the podcast already, please do so. Every business needs a hero. We try to have a hot topic on a particular subject, and then have a hero story of a business owner, because we say every business needs a hero and every hero has a story. The guy down the bottom there is Carl Schwantz. He was on one of our early episodes, and Carl's got some great concepts in and around cash flow. He runs a boutique diamond jeweler store in Brisbane. This is the Vector Business Scorecard that I was talking about early on. I'd really encourage you to jump on and take a look at this scorecard. It's free. We'll send out a link to those of you who are on the webinar today. Jump on, have a look. It takes you under 5 minutes to complete it, and you get, this is chopped and changed, but you basically get this information. You get where you're sitting, what your score is on each of those different pillars. The awareness, the numbers, the planning, improvement, accountability, and overall score. And then that overall score will rank you as to whether you're stalled, in motion, in flight, at altitude, and give you some tips on the areas that you fell down on. Now, after you complete your Vector Business Score, we actually offer a free, what we call clarity call, to take you through your results and discuss in a bit more detail the things that you maybe need to look at. Again, that clarity call is free. So all up, you're getting a diagnosis plus an appointment with the consultant to help you out for free, in addition to today's session. So really something that I would encourage you to take up. All of those things are going to give you those ideas you need to take forward. Now, if from there you want to work together, well, we can. But it's all geared at getting some knowledge out there, because what we're all about is education of small business. If we can educate enough small business owners, then the rest will look after itself for us. It's a byproduct. Balanced Business Program. Look, our October intake is sold out for this. Our next intake will be happening just prior to Christmas for a January start. It's a 2-month group online program, weekly live sessions and self-paced video content, really amping up what we've done today, but giving you more grunt on all of those areas plus some. Normally 3,500, but if you express some interest today to me just by return email, say, David, I want to get on board this when it's released prior to Christmas. Please keep me a space. Then I'll do that for 2,700 or 3 monthly instalments of 1,000. So knowing that cash flow can sometimes be tight, that can help out. So this is for those businesses who really don't want to go the whole hog of the Vector Business platform. This gets you the essence for a ridiculously cheap price when it comes to business coaching. So for us to work together, this is a really good first step for you to take. So I'd like to thank you for your time today, for hanging around for an extra couple of minutes. But that's it in a nutshell. Becoming a Vector business is all about giving yourself the structure to be able to achieve those things that you originally set out to do when you went into business. Otherwise, you're just going to get on the wheel and you'll wake up in 10 years' time and you'll go, what just happened? We've had fun running our business, but what have we really got to show for it? Or do we have to start this process again now? Always better to start earlier rather than later. So thanks for your time. I look forward to chatting with you, hopefully on a clarity call, and we'll shoot through some links to the Vector Business Scorecard and a couple of other resources for you to have a look at. Thanks for your time. Talk soon.